Here are the top 14 health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is a rich source of multiple vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Different cooking methods may affect the vegetables' nutrient composition, but broccoli is a healthy addition to your diet whether cooked or raw. Number 2, broccoli contains multiple potent antioxidants that may support healthy cells and tissues throughout your body. Number 3, broccoli contains several bioactive compounds that demonstrate an anti-inflammatory effect in animal and test tube studies. However, more human research is needed. Number 4, multiple studies have shown that cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli may have a cancer preventative effect, though more research is needed. Number 5, eating broccoli may lower blood sugar and improve diabetic control. This is likely related to its antioxidant and fiber content. Number 6, indicates that broccoli may help reduce various heart disease risk factors and prevent heart tissue damage. Number 7, eating broccoli may support bowel regularity and healthy gut bacteria. Number 8, multiple animal studies show that specific bioactive compounds in broccoli may have a protective effect on brain tissue. Number 9, sulforaphane, a compound in broccoli, may be able to slow the aging process. More human research is needed to better understand this function. Number 10, broccoli provides an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient known to support healthy immune response. 11. Certain nutrients found in broccoli are associated with a decreased risk of certain dental and oral diseases. Number 12. Many of the nutrients in broccoli, including calcium, vitamin K, and phosphorus, are necessary for maintaining healthy bones. Additionally, early research indicates that certain antioxidants in broccoli may prevent some joint disorders. Number 13, broccoli contains nutrients vital for certain aspects of fetal development. Folate is particularly important in this regard. However, more research is necessary to study this topic further. And number 14, small animal and human studies showed significantly reduced tumor growth when broccoli extract was used as a protective therapy against UV radiation. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!